Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to activate Bybit Card. First thing first, in your Bybit app, go to Finance, then Card. You can also do it on the website. Tap Manage My Card to open the card management page. Select Activate to begin the process. Choose Verify with a 4-digit PIN, and then this PIN will be required for ATM withdrawals and large retail purchases. You can reset your PIN later if needed, but keep it safe and private. Now locate the 3-digit CVV on the back of your physical Bybit card and enter the CVV and then tap Activate. And done, your physical Bybit card is now active. You can use it for online and in-store purchases, withdrawal, add cash, and ATMs, and manage both your virtual and physical Bybit cards directly on the card management page. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more Bybit tutorials on our channel, and I'll see you next time.